Hi, this is Imran Shubuj. Welcome you all to watching my video. Today I'm going to share some experiences. How could you select a perfect automotive gear oil? There are two types of gear oils are existing in the world, exist in the market and the world. There is monograde gear oil and another is multigrade gear oil. Monograde gear oil, which was mentioned, is just like SA90, SA140. Monograde multigrade gear oil is just mentioned is 80W90 or 80W140. The basic difference to recognize the mono and multigrade gear oil is W factor. If you see that this gear oil 80W90 and 80W140, which will be work in extreme temperature and pressure, just like it can work in minus 40 degrees Celsius. But monograde gear oil AC, where flat AC90, AC140 will not work just like as a multigrade gear oil. So sometimes I hear some questions, what is the meaning of GL? GL, gear lubrication, GL1, GL2, GL3. Basically, this is parameters to set by manufacturer, where what type of base oil, what type of additives are using in your gear lubrications manufacturing. So that's the basic difference between mono and multigrade gear oil, the W factor. So sometimes and several times, if you want to, I had this question, how could we select a perfect gear oil? Obviously, check your product manual. Where open up the lubrication chapter, you will get an OEM suggestions, OEMS, which elaborations is original engine equipment manufacturer suggestions, which gear oil are needed to use in gearbox. Is it monograde or multigrade? You will get and suggestions, obviously, and collect the technical data sheet of which product you are going to purchase. Cross check these two technical data sheet. You will get an answer what type of gear oil you can be using in your automotive gear oil. Now the questions has been arrived sometimes and several times I face that. What is the drain time? Basically, it is depends on your engine conditions. What is the conditions of your engine? And you can do another test which called conditional monitoring to find a perfect engine oil drain time or change time. Mineral, if you use in mineral, that in hour it can be used only maximum level 5,000 hours, or in kilometers it will be 20 to 25,000 kilometers. That is not any thumb rule, but we can generally you can you follow these instructions. If you use the synthetic grade of lubricants, it can use at least 10,000 hours and 25,000 to 50,000 kilometers. That will be the that will be not basic parameters. That will be an suggestions. That is not any concrete decisions. It depends on, obviously, drain times is depends on your engine conditions. Thank you. Hope this video will be help you. If you needed any queries, please write down the box and mail me. I hope I will try to answer that questions. Thank you to watching my video. Assalamu alaikum. Have a nice day.